Alright, it's Wednesday, December 28th, 2016. It is approximately 3 days after Christmas, so yeah. I need to reset the clock on this. It's 11:01. Okay, sorry.
Accumulation. Breezy with highs in the upper 30s. West winds 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Thursday night, snow showers likely. Snow accumulation around an inch possible. Breezy with lows in the mid-20s. West winds 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Breezy with highs in the upper 20s. West winds 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Chance of snow 40%. Friday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the mid-20s. At 10 a.m., weather reports for selected cities. At Lorain County Regional Airport, it was cloudy. The temperature was 30 degrees dew point 20. This is a test of the Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for the WNG698 listening area of north central Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm.
Fuck you. You should take that back and get the Google Home.